All right, so you may have seen those ads that Sheetz is offering discount gas this weekend. We even told you about it. But before you fill up, 5 on Your Side's Keely Arthur takes a deeper look at what you need to know to avoid damaging your engine.
There are dozens of Sheetz in North Carolina, and this weekend they're offering a pretty great deal. If you use Unleaded 88, you can fill up for less than $4 a gallon. It's even cheaper if you use E85. But 5 on Your Side wanted to figure out if that is good for your car.
I'm not sure my car would like 88. It's a 2004.
Susan Michaelfelder wouldn't mind saving a few bucks on gas this weekend like the rest of us, but she's just not sure switching fuel octanes is the way to go. You don't want to kind of test the waters and
Probably not, considering its older age. It's like I don't want to, take chances.
That cautious approach to using unleaded 88 fuel is the right one.
It's been out for a while. It hasn't been openly accepted by everybody.
John Ibbotson with Consumer Reports says only about 4,000 gas stations across the country offer 88. That's about 3% of stations. It contains 15% ethanol. That's compared to unleaded 87's ethanol content of 10%.
Additional ethanol can cause problems with things like corrosion,
especially in vehicles made before 2001, but that's more of a long-term effect. However, most should avoid E85 unless your car is specially designed for it. Bottom line, if your car's manual says it can handle unleaded 88 and you're not planning on using it long-term, you should be fine, and you're going to save a few bucks. Keely Arthur, 5 on Your Side.
And I think if you look at the gas meter, it tells you what you should be putting in there. Another thing Consumer Reports told us, the higher the ethanol content of gas, the lower the fuel efficiency. They haven't tested unleaded 88, but they say E85 gas gets 30% lower fuel economy than 87 octane.